Hey everybody, welcome back to my Frosty's Kitchen YouTube channel. This isn't a video, but it's just a really quick tip. If you bake a lot of cheesecake in springform pans, like you see here, and you're using parchment paper or baking paper, here's a really nice way to do it. So instead of the normal way where you'll take your paper and you'll cut around and slide the paper down into the bottom, do this. Take your paper, put it over like that, so just cut it a little bit larger than you need, and then put it over. Lock it in like that, and there we go. And that provides a much better seal than putting the paper inside. So if you're having problems with water or moisture getting into the bottom of your cheesecake, try this method. This provides a really tight seal between the collar and the bottom of the springform pan. You can see how it is there. Really good. Just a fast tip. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.